Good morning, folks. This is Kerry with 401k Dexter's. The Cowport is being installed. I pulled back the fence to the southeast paddock here. These guys came up the drive, pulled right in here into the pasture, and started unloading. So what we've got is the two 20-foot sections on the ground, and they're fixing to start standing up the side legs and the roofing. I'll get some more pics. So here's the Cowport frame being put up. It's 12 feet across, and then each one of those studs are 5 feet from each other, so it's 20 feet deep, rounded on the top, and the sheeting will come from the apex of the roof just wrapping around the sides. So that's what it looks like so far. Here's Kraken the bull. Hey Kraken, how you doing, buddy? He's looking good. We get him moved over to the other paddock. Get him on some fresh grass. Get a nice little curly head top to him. All the girls are over here in the shade. While the Cowport was getting put up, I stood up the kennel and bolted it together here on the side of the carport coming off the shop. Finally got the rock pile moved enough where I can park my truck underneath the carport there, and decided that I would put this kennel together so we can bring the dogs out here and put them in the shade. What I'm going to do is get some fencing and line this side of the carport here, so they've got a nice 10 by 20 kennel and we won't have to stake them out. So that's the plan. All right, folks. Gary from 401k Dexter's. This side of the pasture has had enough. We walked the cows out through this chute that we built. Seems to be working well to get them across the road. And through these gates, coaxed them with the little cattle cubes. Got their water filled up. And brought some small ones down for the little ones, although the little ones are getting pretty big. Kraken here had some poop on him. Looks like he's washed it off. Dorothy, Kiki girl, and their new Cowport. Guys, Tex Win in Wills Point, Texas did another great job. They're the same company that did the barn shop up on the hill. And it just came out, and a couple of my last videos had me leveling out the concrete for the base. It's not completely level, but close enough for a Cowport. This will give them plenty of shade. Like I said, I will end up fencing the sides and then putting a gate on this end, cutting a fence there, putting a gate on that end. That way, no matter if they're in this front paddock, it'll be open from this end, or in this back paddock, it'll be open from that end. So nice and shady and cool. Make some happy cows. All right, 401k Dexter's out.